Welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel. In this video I will unbox this DJI Avata Explorer bundle or Explorer Combo, show you around, you'll see what accessories and box kit it comes with, so let's begin. So to start we gotta obviously take this film out so we can actually open the box itself. So let me quickly cut it with my handy knife and unpeel this film real quick. So as far as I can see, it should be opened from the top. Yep, so let's continue unboxing it here. So now we'll probably need to slide those two boxes out of its main box, just like so. Yep, here they are. Now inside the bundle box you'll get, well, the DJI Avata drone itself, obviously, as well as the DJI goggles, Integra goggles, as well as the controller. So here, let me see if there are any curious specifications listed. Well, you can see the in the box list of the controller combo, or well, goggles and controller, and the in the box list of things that comes with the drone. Here you have it. Now let's go ahead and quickly open the drone first, probably. Here we have another film that I need to either unpeel or cut. Since there is this green sticker over here, I'll probably, yep, I can just unpeel it. Very simple, very well thought through, to be perfectly honest with you. And now we will open this box and see what this little drone looks like. So here it is in its plastic bag. So let's take it out. And well, here is the FPV drone with this propeller guards and all that, with the battery already installed, as I can see. Yep, I can unclip it, but I will not do that in this video. Also, obviously it has this protective cap that guards its camera and gimbal. And well, as far as the drone itself goes, that will be about it. In the box you'll find the replacement propellers, additional battery, charging wire, and the silica to, well, avoid moisture accumulation. Here at the box, at the top part of it, you'll find your start guide or paperwork if you'll have any. Here you can also see this handy QR code, which once scanned will help you to get the DJI Fly app, will provide you with an access to the video tutorials, and well, as well as the PDF version of this user manual. So if you're interested in that, you can scan this QR code and get all those data in a few seconds, literally. Now let's also get this control kit opened. Here we have the same idea, that we need to find this green sticker and start unpeeling this plastic film, or I don't know how to call it, to be perfectly honest. Just like so. And now we can turn it sideways 2 times, or flip it, yeah, of course, flip it. And well, unbox the Integra goggles bundle as well. That's the graphics on the cap at the top part of the box that shows you how to assemble the goggles and probably use them or put them, set them up with the app. So here are the goggles themselves. They are unclipped, but I will take care of it in another video probably. So here what they look like. I hope you can see them just fine. Then there is also this accessories box. So let's get it out and see what's inside. Well, as you could have expected, inside of this box you'll find the accessories, So those are the lenses for the people who wear glasses and, well, rely on glasses to see. So you'll find the lenses here. Here is the range of vision correction values that it provides you with. So you'll know by looking at it whether you'll be fine using those bundle lenses or you'll need to get additional ones. So that's up to you. You also obviously get the paperwork, the microfiber cloth, silica, but that's not interesting. The belt or strap. Here it is, additional one. This plastic handles, those are, I have no idea what they are, to be perfectly honest. So let me quickly check it. Oh, yeah, this is the eye lenses frames, pretty much. You put lenses into those frames. What else? Here is the controller, by the way, so let me get it out of its plastic bag so I can show you this controller in all its glory and beauty. Here it is. Feels great, actually. The build quality is, as it always with DJIs, is great. All buttons, all dials, everything just feels so well engineered. Probably it's light. It doesn't feel expensive, doesn't feel premium, but nonetheless it feels great. It just, I mean, it's a joy to use the DJI accessories, if I'll be perfectly honest with you. What else do we have here? Let's see. Well, the thing, well, I have no idea how to call it properly, so let's see how it is called. Well, it is not even listed here as far as I can see. Oh, no, it's the lanyard. Yeah, the lanyard that you use to carry your, probably, controller, right? It would make sense. You just once you clip this lanyard onto your controller and wear it just like a bracelet, it just makes it so that you will not, while controlling your FPV drone, it reduces the chance of you just throwing the controller out and losing it somewhere. So that's a very handy accessory indeed. And well, obviously you'll get the charging wire, but that's to be expected. And well, that's about it as far as I can see, guys. So, well, thanks for watching, thanks for your attention. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to use the comment section you'll find below this video. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.